Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Meteor, the Valorant settings, the best one right now. So he got the Logitech G Pro X super light to white. He got 800 dpi, sensitivity 0.3, scope sensitivity 1.3, EDPI 240, HZ 2000, window sensitivity 6. Now when we're going to look here on the keybinds, so walk, shift, control, he got the Wooting 60 HE+, use object F. Then the video settings 1020, 69, letterbox, full screen, and he got multi-thread rendering, material quality low, texture quality low, detail quality low, UI quality low, vignette off, VSync off, anti-aliasing MSA 2x, and then also bloom, distortion, cast shadows all is off. And here you're gonna find this equipment. So Zooey, Logitech G Pro X, Wooting, Razer Black Shark with Super White, and Artisan Hayate also soft. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.